joy lang talaga yung tumatakbo sa isip ko.
How's the performance?
It was good actually. I enjoyed it very much.
Oo.
Ayun naman yung lagi mo sinasabi sa akin.
Oo. Sabi ko,
Enjoy.
sinasabi ko talaga kay Bien, sabi ko, enjoy mo lang kasi mas maganda yung kanta pag in-enjoy natin.
Yes.
And I think nabigay naman talaga namin yung gusto namin gawin with the song. Meron lang talagang nasabi si Kuya C. Pero, you know, I know Bien eh. Alam kong kaya ni Bien to. So, kung ano man mangyari Bien, just do your best and still enjoy.
Yes po. Enjoy.
Ikaw, anong na-feel mo?
Ayun nga, after ng performance, I feel joy lang talaga yung tumatakbo sa isip ko kasi we perform it well. Well, not perfect, but I'm very happy na na-perform natin yan.
So kung sakali man, ikaw yung matapat sa Matira Matibay, ano yung gagawin mo?
Gagawin ko na yung best ko. Yung pinakalahat, emotions, technicalities, lahat-lahat na. Kasi ito na yan eh. This is the time.
Good job yan!
Thank you po!